Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am Tommy McKenzie, and I am a real estate agent with RE/MAX Fine Homes located in Franklin, Tennessee. Our office is just south of the booming city of Nashville, Tennessee. And today we're going to take a look at what in the world is going on with this real estate market. Are we heading for a crash as many doomsdayers have predicted, or is this just a correction? In this video, we're going to take a look at the market fundamentals that are affecting our real estate market today, and we're going to look and see how those affect you as a buyer or seller operating in this market. So buckle your seatbelts, my friends, because this is going to be a lot of information in a very short video. I personally believe that we can attribute the current slowdown or the cooling off period we are seeing in this real estate market to three factors: higher interest rates, inflation, and just a general insecurity or fear that's within the market. So let's start by taking a look at interest rates. Just a few short months ago, interest rates on conventional loans were somewhere in the high 2 to low 3% interest range. Today, those rates have increased to between 5 and 6%. So what does this mean for buyers? Let's say you were looking at buying a $500,000 house a few short months ago, and you locked in a rate at 3%. Well, your mortgage payment at that time was significantly lower than it is today, with a mortgage rate of somewhere between 5.5% and 6%. This significant increase in cost has caused a lot of buyers to either postpone their home search or to lower their budgets. So what does this mean for you as a seller? Well, as a seller, the pool of buyers that are looking at your house has shrunken pretty dramatically. A few short months ago, you could have placed your house on the market and you may get 10, 15, 20 offers within just a couple of days of placing the house on the market. Now your house may be on the market for a week or two and receive 1, 2, or 3 offers, and in those offers the buyers will be asking for some concessions most likely. You may have to make some concessions to get your house sold. So now let's talk about inflation. Year-over-year inflation rates as of June of 2022 were 9.1%. These are inflation rates that we have not seen in over 40 years. So what does that mean for buyers? Well, buyers now are faced with the facts that everything they buy on a daily basis now costs more. In return, that inflation is also outpacing income growth. So that means that their buying power is getting less and less. So they are taking a second look at what mortgages they can actually afford in this market. So what do elevated inflation rates mean for sellers in this market? As buyers continue to re-examine their budgets and they make decisions based on higher interest rates along with high inflation rates, they are tending to pull themselves out of the market, meaning you have fewer buyers or fewer potential buyers for your property if you were selling in this market. In today's world, we are more connected than ever. We can thank the internet for that. And because of the internet, there is a lot of information available to everyone. Some of that information is good information, and some of it is not so good. In fact, there's quite a bit of misinformation out there when it comes to the real estate market. There are people out there predicting doomsday scenarios, and there are people out there predicting that the market could never be better. The truth is really somewhere in between. With that said, it's important not to be making decisions in this market based on fear. What are some pros about this current market? Well, from a buyer's perspective, you most likely will be able to get some concessions from sellers in this market. Not only that, you will not be competing against as many buyers whenever you find a property that you want to buy. Also consider having some money set aside to buy down your interest rate whenever you do find something you want to buy. Buying down your interest rate can save you a lot more money over the life of the loan than having a seller pay for closing costs. In fact, you may be able to get a seller to actually pay money toward buying down an interest rate as well. As a seller in this market, there are still some real pros for you as well. In fact, your property values are still very high compared to where they were just 5, 6, 7, 8 years ago. If you have been in your house for a long time or you have paid your house off, you are in a great position to sell in this market. A good real estate agent will have creative ideas for marketing as well as have ideas on how to help you leverage the high market values that you currently enjoy with your house. This in turn can help you be in a great position if you're turning around and buying another property.
Bad listing advice in a market shift.
Of course, Mr. Seller, I will be happy to sell your house. In fact, the market has never been better. There's a house down the street from yours that sold for over $100,000 above list just 3-4 months ago. So, what were you thinking about this price? Oh, who cares about the comps? I think we should go in $100,000 above what this one sold for just 4 months ago. You mean the market has never been better? Slow down? Oh, trust me, this is going to be wonderful.
Same agent 3 days later.
It's been 3 days. 3 days, no showings, no offers. I should have had 30 showings and 20 offers by now. I'm living off of coffee. I haven't slept. I don't know what to do. Someone please show my listing. Someone please buy my listing. Please. I hope you found the information in this video helpful. If so, please hit the like button. Also, consider subscribing to my channel to be notified of future video updates that will include tips and tricks about the real estate market and other real estate related content. Also, please feel free to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, where you will find a lot of real estate related content as well. Lastly, if you are looking to buy or sell anywhere in the Nashville, Tennessee area or anywhere in Middle Tennessee, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help in any way I can. As always, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.